Who are the top 5 roofing companies in Allentown, Pennsylvania? My name is Zach, the roofing maniac Blenkinsop. I am a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor, U.S. military veteran, and my company has done roofing projects all over the United States. Since we don't service this area, you know that you are getting an unbiased review with no other incentive than to tell you the truth. Well, because I like helping people get the best service they can. Now, how do we evaluate the best roofers in an area? We spend countless hours going over the data of 3 major categories, speaking to local suppliers, analyzing reviews, and asking local residents. Number 1. Speak to local suppliers. This is by far one of our favorite methods, because the people who are selling the materials know everyone's reputation. Typically, we contact the 3 largest local building supply companies to get their direct feedback. Number 2. Analyze reviews on Google, Facebook, and Yelp. This sounds easy, but in reality, this is the hardest part of our review process. You see, companies can often buy reviews or recruit friends and family to review their company. You really have to analyze who is writing the review, and if they appear to be a real person. The process to go through all of these reviews, and then try to contact the person who left the review takes hours for each city we review. But it is important to us that you choose the right roofing company. Number 3. We ask the residents in each city who they trust for their roofing needs. This takes a long time to aggregate the data, but it is well worth it. We post in local Facebook groups, talk to the local Chamber of Commerce, and contact local city officials to find out who has been in good standing with them and who has had trouble in the past. Regardless, this is also a great way to find out who is the best roofing contractor in each city or area. Without further ado, here are the top 5 roofing companies in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Number 1. Wright Roofing. Number 2. Allentown Roofing. Number 3. In the Light Roofing. Number 4. Bachmans Roofing. Number 5. Bruno Roofing and Siding. Alright, that's it. If this video was helpful, please give a thumbs up below. And as always at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values